First, check if your TPM is enabled or disabled. Press your keyboard Windows key plus R to open Run shortcut. Type tpm.msc and enter. Check the status if the TPM is ready for use. If not, follow me on how to enable Tpm 2.0. I have 3 tutorials for Gigabyte, MSI, and Asus motherboards. Restart your PC. Go to BIOS. Press Delete repeatedly. Select Peripherals. Select AMD CPU, FTPM, and change to Enable. That's it. Save and exit setup. Follow me. Restart your PC. Go to BIOS. Press Delete repeatedly. Select Settings, Security, Trusted Computing. Select Security Device Support and change to Enabled. Click Exit and click Yes for reboot. That's it. Follow me. Restart your PC. Go to BIOS. Press Delete repeatedly. Click on Advanced. Select PCHFW configuration. Enable firmware TPM and click OK. Save changes and exit. That's it.